This government also believes that there is a great deal of energy, a positive energy that needs to be unleashed, that needs to be tapped to ensure the living goes in our country. There are a great many things I can go on and on about, but the fact remains, potential that still has a great deal of potential, but a lot of it is untapped. So we are, as a government, trying to explore this potential, trying to invite all of you all to explore the possibilities of doing your enterprise in tandem with TIE ISB, because I'm told TIE ISB has been doing this for 9 years now, 9 years in a row. Really a great deal of effort, I must say, to bring in so many people under one roof from various parts of the country, to really have created this wonderful networking opportunity wherein you have these budding entrepreneurs, venture capitalists, private equity players, and people from all walks of life. Hyderabad as a city, like I said, now I think the state government and the administration also has to play a more active role, a more vibrant role. Besides what TIE and ISB have been doing together, as a city, as a state, we need to do more to encourage entrepreneurship. And that is exactly where we are headed. And I appreciate TIE, ISB for their wonderful effort over the last 9 years. And the government shall definitely partner with you. The government shall cooperate with you. And like our secretary had mentioned, T-Hub will not just be a place for somebody to explore their ideas. T-Hub will also have a technology development bank which shall provide impetus, economic impetus, financial stimulus to those that require funding as well. So we are still in the works. We're still working on a plan. We are still talking to a lot of fund managers. We are talking to a lot of funds. And the government also shall pitch in with some amount of funding as well. In the days to come, because these are still early days for us, in days to come, I guarantee you one thing, that the government of Telangana and the state of Telangana, as the 14th Finance Commission has recently, stated, Telangana is the only other state in the country besides Gujarat, which is a revenue surplus state in the country. There is a great deal of potential here. There's a great deal of opportunity here. And it's a very urbanized state. So in days to come, I guarantee you that this government and this state and this city shall be one of the top-notch investment destinations in the country, be it for information technology, be it for life sciences or aerospace. We've already done very well in some sectors, but there is a lot more to be done. And I look forward to working with you closely in ensuring that we fulfill that untapped potential, we reach that destiny that we're all set out for. Once again, thank you very much, and I hope you all have a wonderful stay in Hyderabad over the next 3 days. Thanks.